Today, we will talk about how we can use CapCut templates. In TikTok, for this you must first download CapCut. As you can see in the video, I already downloaded it. After that, we have to find TikTok. As you can see in the video, after opening TikTok, we have to search for the CapCut template video. As you can see in the video, like that. After that, you have click on any video below, like that. After that you have, it will be written try this template. As you can see in the video, then click on it. After that, click on Use Template in CapCut. Then click on Use Template. After that, you have to select the image or video you want to convert into that format and click on Next. And after a few seconds, your video will be ready and you can export it. And it will come into your device gallery. If you like this video, click on subscribe. Hit the bell icon if you have any question. Then comment below. Thanks for watching.